How to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp. If you have this problem, this video is gonna help you a lot, and the only solution that is gonna help you is this video. Trust me, there is no other solutions beside this one that I'm gonna show you right now. So all what you have to do is open the Chrome browser, go to whatsapp.com website on your phone, go to the top corner, click on those three lines, and then click on the help center option, and right here just scroll down until you find this get in touch option. Click on it like this and it will take you to this page. Choose this option of the WhatsApp Messenger support, click on contact us right here and it will take you here. Now on this page you have to enter your phone number and choose the country that you are in and the phone number, the email address, and confirm your email and how do you use your WhatsApp, what device you have, and here you need to enter your message and the problem that you have and click on next step, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.